Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Today we're diving into how to jolt enemies in Destiny 2. Whether you're new to the arc damage type or looking to refine your skills, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and level up together. So what exactly is Jolt? In Destiny 2, Jolt is a status effect tied to arc damage. When you jolt an enemy, they take periodic arc damage and this effect can chain to nearby foes. Now let's break down how to jolt enemies using your class abilities. For Warlocks, use the Stormcaller subclass. Storm Trance and abilities like Chain Lightning and Dark Soul are key for spreading jolt. Hunters, the Arcstrider subclass with Disorienting Blow and Gambler's Dodge is perfect for jolting and disrupting enemies. Titans, use the Thundercrash super and Thunderclap melee for powerful arc attacks that jolt enemies. Now let's talk weapons. Arc weapons like Risk Runner are great for jolting. Look for weapons like arc damage and perks that enhance jolting and arc damage output. To further boost your jolting capabilities, use the right mods and artifact perks. Exotic gears like Storm Dancer's Brace can also amplify your jolting power. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Says.